Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and today we are diving into an important topic in probability, understanding sample space, sample points and events. Whether you are new to probability or looking for a refresher, this session will clarify these foundational concepts. So let's get started. So let us start with sample space. That is, you can say that the beginning of probability. So the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment, that is called the sample space, and it is denoted by S. Let us see examples. So let us see first of all definition. So S is a set containing all possible outcomes of a random experiment. So you can say that if you are performing any random experiment, so set of all possible outcomes. Let us see example thereafter. So suppose you are tossing a single coin. So there are two possibility, head and tail. So if you put in set style, so that would be sample space. Now if you are rolling a die, so there are six faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set if you put in set style, so that would be sample space where each number represents the face value. Now if you are tossing two coins, so there are four possibilities, and all possibilities if you put in set, so that would be sample sample space where H and T represent outcomes of each coin. Now, if you are throwing a die and tossing a coin together, then if you combining both, so you will get this sample space. The size of sample space basically denoted as NS is the total number of possible outcomes. For example, NS is equal to 2 if you are tossing a coin. If you are rolling a die, so NS is 6. If you are tossing two coins, so NS is 4. Let us understand sample point. So each individual outcome, remember individual outcome in the sample space is called sample point. Example, tossing a coin, so sample point are H and T. Rolling a die, so sample point are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means I am talking about 1 only or 2. So this is a sample point, each representing one outcome. Tossing two coins, so sample points are it may be HH or HT, TH, TT. HH means both coins upper face has come HH. HT means one is head, another is tail. Throwing two die. If you throw two dice, so there are 36 possibilities, and each pair is a sample point. The collection of all sample points form the sample space. So if you collect or if you write in set style, so that would be sample space. We have already discussed. In complex experiment, each sample point corresponds to unique combination of outcomes. Let us discuss event. So in event is a subset. Remember, we have written sample space in a set style, and event is a subset of that sample space that represent one or more possible outcomes. Definition like an event is a collection of sample points from S that satisfy a certain condition. So it is a subset. An event is a subset of sample space. Always remember. That is a very important definition. Tossing a coin. So event E, getting ahead. So that is a subset of both. You can say that H and T. So that is H, and that is an event. Event F, getting a tail. That is an event. Understand that understanding event in probability is very important because you find out probability of happening an event, and throughout the probability lectures event will play a very important role, and you should understand everything because probability is a little bit complex, and it requires more practice in every field, like making numericals, all the things. So it is very important, and you can say that in AI and machine learning it play it plays very important role for modeling uncertainty in artificial intelligence. So understand event because all time in probability you will be getting probability for happening an event. So event of getting a tail, that is T. Rolling a die, so getting an even number. So even number means 2, 4, 6. That is an event. Getting a number greater than 4. So there are two sample point, and that is an event. F is an event. Tossing two coins, getting at least one hit means H H H T H T H, and there is four sample. In a sample space there are 4 points, but three that are satisfying that criteria, getting at least one hit. So that is an event. Getting two tails. So two tails. This is the sample point is satisfying this event. Now types of events. Simple event contains only one sample point. Example, rolling a die and getting a 3. So E is 3. Compound event means containing multiple sample points. So rolling a die and getting an odd number. You can see that E 1, 3 and 5. These are odd numbers. Impossible event contains no sample point. Like example, rolling a die and getting 7. Because there is no 7 face on a die. So you will never get it. And event is either you will write it by 5, or you can say that empty set you can see that certain event contains all sample point. So basically that event like 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you tell that any number from 1 to 6, so it will always come. So that is a certain event, 100% chance either 1 2 3 4 5 or 6 will come. Now, hope you understood the concept. If you need more videos, PDF, quizzes and activity, you can visit website. If you want to learn about descriptive statistics, so I have made many videos and playlist. You can visit YouTube channel. You can visit Facebook page, and on LinkedIn page you can follow me. So hope you understood all the concepts. These are basic concepts, but these concepts play a very important role, especially understanding event in machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence and other. Basically probability is used to model uncertainty, and in machine learning, artificial intelligence, from historical data you will try to predict the future, uncertain future. So probability helps to understand future and model uncertainty. So hope you will pay attention. Thanks for watching the video.